Yo, what's good? Welcome back. Real Estate Motivated. Episode, what we on? 4, 5?
4,
One
6.
of them. We'll put the number right here.
Nah, this is 12 actually.
I wish. Alright, so I have relocated to Baton Rouge. I am here. Check out my place. It's just me, so it's perfect for me, my humble abode. We are about to go check out a couple properties that I need to get some pictures for work. Let me grab my shoes, check it out. Check out my classic 101 tape. I'm out here Monday through Friday. My girl is in New Orleans with my son, so pretty much I go there Friday through Sunday.
Yeah. Stay with the family on the weekend. How's that been, man? I know that's gotta be an adjustment.
It's an adjustment because it's like I'm out here, then it's like I'm going back and I'm living, in somebody else's space because my girl's living with her parents. You know what I'm saying? You know how that could be a little bit. Yeah. But it's been cool so far, no complaints. It's just really trying to get all this straight. Yeah, man, it's a balance, bro. Just trying to take care of everything, you know what I mean, with family and work.
What's the plan with moving your girl out here?
So pretty much, we're gonna go to that place. We're gonna be moving into a duplex.
Close by?
Close by, yeah. Close by. Yeah, I'll show you before that. And introduce you to Duran, my boy Duran. Come on, man.
What's going on?
D-Lee imagery in the building.
Hey,
D-Lee imagery in the building.
Jobs you got, bro.
Man, chill out, bro. Look, man, I'm just cooling right now.
Photographer.
I'm just cooling.
Working for the city, all kinds of stuff. For real.
I'm just on me. This about my man's right here, yo. This about my man's.
I need my bag, man.
Peep the shirt though. Shout out to B Mike. Shout out to Studio B.
I think you should be Mike at Best Buy. Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, my man put on the shadow ones. Is that what those are?
Hey, bro.
Come on, hold on, y'all. Look at this. Y'all know nothing about that. Eee! Ooh.
We ain't got no hammers. We ain't got no hammers today.
That's what I do.
Oh, well,
Why you think I got my bag, man? I'm not crazy. Are you serious right now?
You can, bro, get a whole stick for your
I'll
shit.
be a little boy. Where's one? Let me take one. Yo, Come on, man. You good?
Alright.
This is your first time watching. My name is Reggie Mead. I am a project manager for Kimball Properties. Owner Anthony Kimball, who's my boss, mentor. Located in South Baton Rouge, historic Eddie Robinson district. We are in a project that we are converting this warehouse into 12 units. Residential units, pretty much gonna give it a industrial look and leave it as is. Now, the thing is with this project is actually historic, and you already know with historic, you're pretty much trying to preserve the building as much as you can in its natural form. So pretty much example, that would be like trying to keep windows in that certain place, trying to keep certain exterior siding, interior siding.
Not messing with the walls too much, that kind of thing.
Not messing with the walls. Yeah, just trying to keep it as natural as possible. More space on the outside of it. And that'll kind of be converted to parking.
So you said parking's gonna be out the back there?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this space is crazy.
Oh yeah. And so if you can see, like you see right here that where the brick is a different color versus the lighter brick.
Yeah.
That's pretty much where the windows were, and they covered it. So the question is, you're in a predicament now. Can you actually put windows right there, or do you have to leave it as is? Yeah, bro. Historic projects are a pain, but it's worth it because you qualify for like state tax credits, federal tax credits,
Right.
Which can together can give you like 40% of your hard costs. Yeah, man.
Hey, that's
Which adds up if you're doing like a big ass project.
right.
Boy, Juan, do your introduction to the
What's
camera.
going on?
Oh, y'all, you recording right
We're
now?
recording right now, on the spot, like right now.
Juan Smith, new intern over at Legacy, working with my boy Reggie.
Nah,
here.
you're not just no intern, bro. Like, you know what I mean? You got your own, like, let them
Okay,
know.
okay.
You know you got a resume. Give him your resume. Give him your resume.
Number one wholesaler in South Baton Rouge, you know what I mean?
All right, we can do it like that. All right, Juan Smith, man of many talents, Swiss Army knife is what they call me sometimes, but you know, I do a lot of different things, wholesale, real estate development, work with some developers, work with really great people like Reggie here.
Hey.
You know, different things like that, videography, photography, sometimes it just depends on what my skill set is. Marketing, if any marketing needs, you know, reach out to me, I can plug in.
I counted 8. That's 8 right there.
There you go.
Come on,
I mean,
man.
what else you need? What else you need? I
hey.
mean, you need it, I got it.
But yeah, man, Juan is also, after all those great things, Juan is the intern for Anthony. Really shadowing him, helping getting stuff done, and pretty much learning just like me. I know Juan soon's gonna be having his own channel and stuff. I don't know if you have a name yet, but by the time this comes out, you'll have a name. So.
Yeah, I definitely have a name by the time this comes out.
Okay, bet.
Reggie's been pushing me to go ahead and do it, so
Yeah, man.
Might as well,
might as well
man.
go ahead and do it. You know,
Might as
might as
well.
well go ahead and document the process.
Exactly, man. Exactly, bro. Yeah, and Juan is also over the course that Anthony, Julian, and Tevin teaches.
Yeah, they got the how to buy block
Of
course.
course, y'all teaching.
This is basically their real estate course, teaching different methods. They teach a lot of the birth strategies. In their course. And
First strategy, which is
buy, renovate. It's 4 R's or 3 R's?
I think it's called buy, renovate, rent,
Resale.
refinance, and repeat.
Yeah.
Where this course at?
They do it virtually. Yeah, they do it virtually because a lot of, you know, I think they started this around the time COVID hit. A lot of stuff started around the time COVID hit, so everything's virtual right now, and it continues to be virtual. But they encourage their students to come, you know, the ones that's in town, come check out the office building, come check out the different projects they're doing.
Yeah, definitely. And it's like interactive in like real time because like the students who are part of the program, they can actually buy a property that's available out here. And I believe, one lady bought a property that I wanted, so. So I mean, it's real deal. It's like,
Down bad.
it's not one of them. Not one
Not
of
just,
them.
of course, they're not just talk. I got you.
Yeah, no, they're not just talking.
Not
They
one of them
definitely
Tay
got you.
Lopez joints, you know.
But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge.
Something real deal. You know, real deal.
That's tough.
So-
No offense to Ty Lopez.
No offense. No
Change your life right today.
today.
We don't want to
Today.
bad blow anybody out there.
Facts. But yeah, we're
beautiful.
about to go to. Remember this one?
Yeah.
So this one is the warehouse. Still no plans for that as
So,
of
you
now.
know why? Because we bought it.
But this one right here is actually going to be a container port.
Okay.
It's going to be container port. Probably 8 to 12 container ports.
As in Container Park Homes?
No, container parks like events, food, dining.
Ah,
yeah, remember
okay.
that's Lincoln
okay.
Hotel right there.
Container park link. What?
It's-
Like a square almost?
So, the place I just showed you guys yesterday, literally less than 24 hours, a leak in the roof. Living room, I mean, it's real estate. This is what happens. We got wine behind the lens.
Yo.
Yeah, man, so. Real estate, not the HGTV stuff, so yeah.